Welcome to the SPX FLOW Manufacturing and Distribution Center, located in a modern, well-connected industrial zone near Bydgoszcz, Poland. The facility serves as a center of excellence and provides us with the ability to streamline our manufacturing processes and significantly improve product lead times. Our investment in the facility and advanced manufacturing equipment confirms our commitment to exceed our customers' expectations. Our goal is to provide high-quality, state-of-the-art products backed by reliable, customer-focused service and support. For the last 15 years, SPX FLOW has continuously expanded our operational capabilities and product portfolio in the region. The facility you'll be touring today covers more than 27,000 square meters of manufacturing and office space. The facility allows us to bring together our efficient manufacturing team and our supply chain expertise to help business grow for the future.
We lead Pathway to Excellence program, and operational excellence is very important for us. Each product line has a dedicated tools, equipment and resources to build high-quality products delivered on time to our customers.
From the moment you arrive, you can see that SPX FLOW has created a new center of manufacturing excellence, complete with a dedicated staff and a comprehensive offering of process components and aftermarket support. The facility is designed for efficient production of high-quality products with short lead times and accurate shipping. In this state-of-the-art facility, we manufacture and assemble a complete range of hygienic valves, pumps, mixers, and plate heat exchangers to handle even the most challenging applications. We ensure the quality and timely delivery of our products through multiple testing and quality check procedures. And we verify our results using third-party certifications to provide our customers with the highest quality possible. Every product, every time.
We understand how important our job is. High quality of products we deliver are used by people all over the world. We are proud to be a part of this process. Every team member put a lot of efforts and working 100% to meet customer expectations.
Notice the attention to detail at work in our hygienic valve manufacturing line. Our experts meticulously monitor the production process and double-check every part of the product. Our plate heat exchangers, pumps, and mixers are manufactured using these same stringent quality standards. This level of discipline is what our customers have come to expect and what SPX FLOW is committed to deliver.
Here in Bydgoszcz, we do everything to support our customers better and better every day, to achieve raving fan service where customers are overwhelmed and floored by the customer service they have received. Our ultimate goal is to create raving fans that can't stop talking to their friends, family, peers and co-workers about the amazing customer service and overall experience they had with our business in Bydgoszcz.
It gives us great satisfaction that we can meet our customers' requirements, provide positive experience and great service to our customers.
Our values are reflected in our corporate structure and built on a foundation of teamwork, inclusivity, and open communication. We provide reliable support to our customers and sales channel partners to exceed their expectations for spare part distribution and aftermarket service. An extensive inventory of common wear parts ensures that our customers get the parts they need quickly. This manufacturing and distribution center is a concrete example of why many leading global companies choose SPX FLOW for their process solution needs. We're more than an equipment and system supplier. We're your partner to help improve your performance and increase your profitability. You can rely on the performance, quality, and on-time delivery solutions from SPX FLOW. We look forward to providing you with solutions for all of your processing needs.